Selamat sejahtera dan salam meradhi. Hari ini saya nak terangkan pasal mini project presentation. Selamat sejahtera Puan Salimah.
So before I start, I would like to introduce my teammates. First, Kiridharan and Pallavi, and myself, Devraj.
For the first introduction, the distance education information system is designed to facilitate online learning by providing functionality for students' registrations, course, material management, assignment submission, and grading. This report details the level 1 data flow diagram, madam. So, breaking down the system major process, data flows, and instruction between entities and data stores.
Hi Mena, my name is Pallavi. I'm here to explain context diagram level 0 data flow diagram of the distance education information system. This diagram shows how different users interact with the system and how information flow between them. There are three important parts in this diagram. The first one entities, the second one process, and the third one data flow. They have four main entities. The first teacher, second one student, third one admin, last is examination office. Each of the entities send and receive data from the system. Okay, now we talk about how data moves between the system and the user. This is called data flow. The first, from teacher to system. First one, teacher upload course materials to system store them. The second, teacher review assignment to the system send feedback to student. The second one, from student to system. Student submit assignment to system send them to the teacher. Student view grades to the system provide the marks. The third one, from admin to system. Admin modify user profile to system update user detail. The second, admin send confirmation of registration to system notify the student. The last one, from examination office to system. Examination office request student record to system provide detail. The last one, examination office provide exam result to system update student grades.
So this is the main entities for the diagram given. So in the distance education information system, the following are the main entities that interact with the system, each playing a circular role in maintaining and managing online education processes. So for the first one, student, the key is the student is the key user of the system responsible for submitting assignments and accessing learning materials. Students can view the grades once the assignment and exams have been evaluated. They may also request student records such as transcripts or enroll verifications from the system. The next one is the teachers. The teacher is responsible for uploading course materials such as lecture notes, presentations, and reading materials. They also review assignments submitted by students and provide feedback or grade. Teachers use the system to track students' process and ensure timely assignment submissions of assignments. The next one is the admin. The admin manager user accounts include students, teachers, and examination officer. They are responsible for modifying user profiles such as updating students' registration details. The admin also sends confirmation of registration to students upon success enrollment. And the fourth one, the last one, is the examination office. The examination office handles exam related processes within the system. They can request students' record for a verification processes such as academic history. They provide exam results to students and update their academy records in the system. Hi, my dear lecturer. My name is Devaraj, and now I would like to explain about the level 1 DFT diagram. As my teammates are already explained about this context diagram. So, by this context diagram, we already upgraded a level 1 DFT diagram by this context diagram for the previous one. So this level one DFT diagram, it is based on given they are given two store datas. So based on two store datas, we have created a level one DFT diagram. So for context diagram, they already given the four entities. So based on the four entities, we already created a new diagram based on two store data that are student record and course material database. They are connected with two types of entities, two entities with two processes in between them. So I would like to explain about it. So for the first one, I would like to start from student to submit assignment. To the submit assignment, it direct go to assignment management. So to the assignment management, it directly go to the course material database, that is the store assignment, from course material database, that is the store data, and from it goes to student teacher, retrieve assignment, and from the teacher it directly go to store material, directly go to review and grade assignments, and from there go for assignment management, and it go to store that it goes to uh, return graded assignment. uh, and yeah, and for the next one, it goes to student. When we go for student record, that is the second store data. uh, it is a process in between examination office and the admin, and there are two types of data, that is the process, that is student management, and examination and grading system, where I would like to start from student management. So from student management, it goes to uh, modify student profile. So from student model profile to store data, student data, it goes to student record. From student record, it retrieve student info. From student info, it goes to examination and grading system, and after that it goes to process grading and transcripts, and another process where after the examination office, it directly go to request student record. After that, it directly go to examination, and from the examination goes to process grading and transcripts. So there are another process where from student to direct examination and grading system. So these are the process uh, where it might be a complicated thing to explain, but by points I would like to explain more about it for the next after slides that I'm going to show. So this diagram expands on level O. As I said, the context diagram expands to the two stored data given, and it creates a new type of a diagram, that is the level 1 diagram, breaking down the main system into more detailed process, showing data flow between process and data store. As I explained, these two data stores is the main thing of this level 1 DFT diagram, to show them their process and data flow between the entities and this process. So for more, I would like to explain for the next coming slides. So yeah.
Key process in level 1 DFT. Process 1, student management. The first, handle student registration and profile modification. The second, store and retrieve student detail from the student record database. The third one, send registration confirmation to the admin. Process 2, course management. Allow teacher to upload course material. Second, store material in the course material database. Third, provide access to student for learning resource. Process 3, assignment management. Handle student assignment submission. Second, store assignment in the course material database. Third, retrieve assignment for teacher review. Fourth one, update grade assignment and provide feedback to student. The last process for examination grading system. First, receiver request for student record from the examination office. Retriever student profile and grade from the student record database. Third, process final exam result and update student transcript. The last, send final grade to student and exam result to the examination office.
And the main part for this level 1 is the data store, where there's two primary data stores, that's the student record and the course material database. For the first one, student records, stores student profile, grades, and transcripts. Data is accessed by student management and examination and grading system. The second one is the course material database, stores course materials and assignments. Data is managed by course materials and assignment management. These two data stores ensures that the system maintains accurate records for students and teachers.
And then data flow between process entities and data stores. So the following data describe how informations move within this system. So firstly a student go to assignment management is a submits assignments. So secondly, assignment management course materials database is stock assignments. Thirdly, course materials database assignments management retrieves assignments for grading. So fourthly, teacher course management uploads course materials. So course management goes to course materials. So it's a stores materials. And then admin stress goes to students management is modifies to student profiles. And then for eighthly, students management is go to students record. So it's usually students store students details. So explanation and grading system request student records. So and lastly, students records explanation and grading system provides grades as and dramatics. These data flows ensure smooth information exchange within the system. So lastly is a conclusion, madam. So the level 1 DFT for the distance education information system provides to structures breakdown of the system's core functionalities. It clearly defines how entities interact with process, how data is stored, and how information flows through the system. By encrypting the students record and course materials databases, the system ensures efficient handling of student information and academic resources. So the detailed DFT help in understanding and improving system functionality for enhanced learning experience. So lastly, thank you, madam. So I hope so madam give us a good mark for this mini project, madam. Thank you so much.